For a good portion of my life, I looked at myself in the mirror and thought, I look bad. No one likes me. Why do I have friends? This outfit looks ugly on me. I'm not pretty enough to find love. And the sad part about having these thoughts is I know I'm not the only person who has them, but we often feel like we are alone in our thoughts. Well, I'm here to tell you that we all have them. A lot of people think that just because influencers post their lives online, it means that they never have had these thoughts. But I'm here to say again that you are not alone. What I mean by this is our lives are not perfect. In short, we are the same. Me, a small influencer, you, and that famous influencer you watch all the time. What do I mean? Simple, we all go through things. I have torn myself down so much thinking all of these negative thoughts about myself until one day I realized all you really have to do is flip the switch. Now, you may ask yourself, could it really be that easy? Do I really have the power to change my life? The answer is simple. 1 word, 3 letters. Yes. Of course it is, because your mind controls your body. What you think, you attract. If you continue to listen to the voice that tells you you can't get there, you never will. So let's flip the switch together and remember that we can have our dream life just by imagining it. I want you to think of something you want more than anything in the world. This could be a text from an old friend, a viral video, closure on a relationship, anything. For 5 minutes, imagine how you would feel as if it was already yours, as if you already had what you wanted. Then come back to reality and ask yourself how you felt, how you feel now, and how you are going to get there. My point is, no matter what, we have the option to be happy. No, maybe not every day, but that's normal. No one is always happy. The more we start to remember who we are on the inside, the more we will begin to love who we are on the outside. If you don't like something, change it. I want you to look at yourself in the mirror and compliment yourself. Stare yourself in the eyes and say, I am beautiful. Now think to yourself, did you actually believe it? If not, how would you feel if you actually did? The more and more we start to make things a habit, the more our mind will be attracted to it. The more our vibrations are higher. When we are happy and imagining what we want, we attract it. So dear teenage girls, or really anyone who needs to hear this, we are all in this together. Me, you, and your favorite influencer. We all go through things. Some may be worse than others, yes, but that doesn't mean that what we go through personally is not hard. Give yourself credit for everything you go through, and remember that you're not alone. Even though I may not know you personally, I promise I'm here for you. Today, I challenge you to be the better person. Reach out to the person who may need to hear words of encouragement. Whether you send them this video or just say, hi, or I'm here for you, I promise it will make a difference. And once we realize that we are not alone, the things we're so upset about starts to slowly fade away. Go after that dream of yours. I promise it's closer than you think.